Look at your spine in the mirror. Now ask yourself, will you be walking upright in 20 years? Or will you be bent over? Most people believe back pain is just a part of aging. They are wrong. Pain is not caused by the number of birthdays you have celebrated. It is caused by drought. Right now, your spinal discs are slowly turning from juicy grapes into dry, brittle raisins. You are losing height, and you are losing power. But what if you could reverse that? What if you could use a 1,500-year-old engineering secret to pump fluid back into your vertebrae and regain the flexibility of a teenager? Today, we unlock movements 5, 6, and 7 of the Yi Jin Jing. We are not just stretching, we are going to rebuild your dragon spine. If you want to stop shrinking and start growing, do not look away. Legend tells us that when the great monk Bodhidharma arrived at the Shaolin Temple 1,500 years ago, he found the monks were spiritually awake, but physically weak. They fell asleep during meditation. Their bodies could not support the power of their minds. So, he developed the Yi Jin Jing, the muscle and tendon changing classic. We are going to use this ancient engineering to act as a hydraulic pump for your back. We aren't just stretching muscles. We are remodeling the fascia. We are wringing out stagnant fluids from the deep connective tissues to allow fresh, nutrient-rich blood to enter. Let's begin. Movement number 5. Pulling 9 cows by their tails. This exercise is the ultimate reset for the lumbar region and the kidneys. In traditional Chinese medicine, the kidneys are known as the batteries of the body. They hold your Jing, your essential life force. When you feel burned out, tired but wired, or deeply exhausted, it is often a sign that your kidney energy is depleted. This movement acts like a jumper cable for that battery. Imagine a heavy, thick rope tied around your waist. On the other ends of that rope are 9 massive oxen, pulling relentlessly away from you. You cannot win this tug of war with just the strength of your biceps. You must use the unified structure of your entire body. Step out into a wide stance. Keep your feet rooted into the earth. Imagine a heavy rope tied around your waist. On the other end of that rope are 9 massive oxen, pulling relentlessly in the opposite direction. Your job is not to beat the oxen with the strength of your arms, but with the structure of your posture and the rotation of your spine. Plant your feet firmly. Turn your waist to the right. And here's the key detail. Let your knees rotate slightly and flex naturally. Do not lock them. If you lock your knees, you break the chain of force. By allowing them to yield just a little, you allow the twist to travel safely from the ground all the way up to your waist. Your right foot should point to the right. Bend that knee slightly and shift your weight forward. Your left leg remains straight and extended behind you. Now engage the arms. Extend your right arm forward and close your fist as if grabbing that heavy rope. At the same time, extend your left arm backward, also with a closed fist. Now, create the spiral. Pull back. Feel how the torque starts at your ankle, travels up your bent leg, transfers onto the left leg, crosses your hip, and screws into your lower back with power, but without pain. Watch the video closely. Remember, slow, fluid movements. Hold the tension. 5 seconds. Feel the space opening up between your lumbar vertebrae. You are creating a vacuum where there was compression. Breathe deep into your kidneys and release gently back to the center. Now repeat on the other side. Turn to the left. Bend your left knee forward. Keep the right leg straight. Repeat the same motion with your arms. Gather the energy. Now that the lower back is active, we move up the chain. Modern life forces us into a permanent slump. Shoulders rolled forward, head down, heart closed. This creates what we call tech neck and a collapsed chest. Movement number 6, show claws and spread wings, is the perfect counter pose. It targets the lung meridian and the heart protector. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Raise your hands to shoulder height in front of you. Now look at your hands. We are going to form eagle claws. Flex your wrists back and curl your fingers intensely. This hand shape is critical. By curling the fingers, you are mechanically stretching the nerve sheaths and fascial lines that run all the way from your chest through the inner arm to your fingertips. Now push forward. Imagine you are pushing a massive wall away from you, trying to prevent it from crushing your chest. But here is the secret. As you push forward with your hands, pull your shoulder blades together behind you. Imagine you are trying to hold a pencil between your scapula without letting it drop. Feel your chest crack open. Feel the ribs expand. You are physically ungluing the fascia across your chest that has been tightened by looking at screens. Feel that electric line of tension from the center of your heart all the way to your fingertips. Breathe into that expansion. Reclaim your space. And release. Drop your arms, close your eyes for 3 seconds. Feel the rush of warmth flooding down your arms. That is fresh circulation. And now, we arrive at the crown jewel of the sequence. Movement 7. 9 ghosts drawing sabers. The name sounds mysterious, but the mechanism is pure biomechanics. This is a full spinal detox. We are going to wring out the spine like a wet towel to flush out old, metabolic waste. The metaphor here is unsheathing a long sword strapped to your back. Wrap your right hand behind your head, grabbing the handle of the sword. Wrap your left hand behind your lower back, grabbing the tip of the scabbard. Now twist. Open your top elbow to the sky and pull it back. Point your bottom elbow to the ground and push it across. Turn your head to look at your opposite heel. You are creating a double helix twist. You are twisting the cervical spine in the neck, the thoracic spine in the chest, and the lumbar spine in the low back. This does something else vital. It stimulates the vagus nerve, which runs through the neck. This is the superhighway of your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. By gently wringing out the neck, you are signaling your brain that it is safe to relax. It might feel uncomfortable. That is okay. In that resistance, the magic happens. You are squeezing stale blood out of the intervertebral discs. Breathe calmly through the twist. Do not hold your breath. Slowly unwind back to the center. Feel the rush of fresh fluid returning to the discs. That is the sponge effect. You are rehydrating the cartilage. Now, the other side. Left hand up, right hand back. Find the sword. Twist. Elbows apart. Look at the heel. Imagine your spine is a golden chain. and you are gently polishing every link. Wring it out. Cleanse the nervous system. Slowly, very slowly, come back to stillness. Lower your arms to your sides. Do not fidget. Stand in Wuji, the emptiness. Close your eyes, don't move. Just observe the echo of the practice. Do you feel that subtle heat, that vibration or tingling running up and down your back? That is qi. In Western terms, that is increased microcirculation and nerve activation. You have just woken up dormant tissues. Your spine stands a little taller now. The fluid dynamics of your body have changed. You are hydrated. You are alive. Memorize this feeling. This is your baseline for a healthy back. This practice is not just about building muscle. It is about building a body that can serve you for a lifetime. To complete the transformation, make sure to combine this with part 1 for the tendons and part 2 for the bone marrow. The links are on screen now. Take care of your vessel. Amituofo.